Location, location, location. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath lake home located in a quiet lakeside community on a private road just north of Chautauqua Institution. Situated on a beautiful lot having 75 of lakefront on the north end of Chautauqua Lake. This property features a ramp for launching small boats, canoes, kayaks etc. Approximately ½ acre of land providing plenty of space for family activities and parking. This home features an open dining room/living room area with gas fireplace, master bedroom west/private balcony and Great Lake views, heated sunroom facing the lake, bonus room, a separate suite of 2 bedrooms and a bath with its own entrance. Plus the home is equipped with 4 heating zones for individual heat control. Lastly, you will be located west/half mile of Elm Gate for Chautauqua Institution activities and a walking trail to Bester Plaza. Lots number 280.13 to 0000141, 42 and 52 are included in the sale of the lakefront home. Property can only be shown during these dates, 7/9-716.